Vivo V7 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using Vivo Recovery mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait a couple of seconds until the device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as fastboot mode pops up. Now you need to navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to recovery mode and press power key to confirm it. Let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use the recovery mode. And here you can use the following Vivo Recovery. So here you can also navigate by using both volume keys, or you can just simply tap appropriate options. So let's choose here wipe data and select here wipe data again. So if you would like to delete all personal data and customize settings, tap wipe data one more time. That's it, the phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, so let's just be patient and wait until everything will be completed. And you can see wipe data successful, so tap OK. Tap back and let's here choose Reboot System. Wait a couple of seconds until the welcome panel pops up on the screen. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start to activate your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.